In this video, we're looking at how to view your website on Squarespace. There are several ways to do this, depending on whether your site is published or still in trial mode, so I'll walk you through each method in order. The simplest way is if your site is already published, just open any web browser, type your domain into the address bar, and press enter. This works with either your custom domain or your built-in Squarespace domain. Your full website will load exactly as visitors see it. If you see a private site message or a login prompt instead, your site isn't published yet. If your site is still unpublished or in trial mode, you can set up password protection to preview it. Log into your Squarespace account, click Settings in the left sidebar, then click Site Availability. Select Password Protected, set a password, and click Save. Now, copy the URL from your browser address bar, but stop after .com before the /config part. Open an incognito browser window or a different browser entirely, paste that URL, and press Enter. Enter the password you just created. You'll now see your site exactly as a visitor would, without any editing panels visible. Another quick preview option for unpublished sites is the No Redirect parameter. Log into your Squarespace dashboard and copy the built-in domain from your address bar everything before /config. Open a new browser tab, paste that URL, and add $no redirect at the end. Press Enter. Your site will load without redirecting you back to the dashboard. If you forget to add the no redirect part, it'll just send you back to your editor. If you want a quick preview while you're editing, use preview mode inside the Squarespace editor. From any page in your editor, hover over the top left corner of the site frame and click the arrow that appears. The site frame will expand to fill your browser, hiding the admin menu. You can also click the device icons to see how your site looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile. To exit, press Escape or click the arrow again. This doesn't generate a shareable link, and there can be small visual differences between preview mode and the live site. For published sites, view them in incognito mode for the most accurate preview. Open an incognito window, type your domain into the address bar, and press Enter. This shows you exactly what visitors see, which is especially helpful if you've added custom code that might not display when you're logged in. Here are a couple things to keep in mind. Your built-in domain will always appear in your address bar when you're logged in, even if you have a custom domain connected. To check if your site is currently live, open the Site Availability panel. If it's set to public, you're published and visible to the world. That's how to view your Squarespace website.